This video is going to show you all of the different recording features found here. On Dashboard, I'm going to go ahead and click Recording. This is going to create a new project for me to work on, and it will pop up a box that will ask me that gives me three different options. The first is webcam, so this is just me. Screen, so this is the screen itself, or I can have both. The screen and webcam will record me separately, and then will record my screen, and then they will tie them in together. I can also choose where I want to save these projects, and then I can go ahead. So I'm going to go ahead and click screen and webcam, and I'll click next. It's going to, you can see me here. It's going to ask me if I want to use a specific camera. So if I have multiple cameras, I can pick which one I want. And then it will also ask what kind of microphone you want to use. So I always just do the default, the built-in microphone. Once I'm ready, I'll go ahead and click next. And then it's going to ask me which screen I want to record. I can choose if I have multiple folders open or screens open, I can click which one. I can also pick a website or any of the stuff on my computer. So I have two websites open, and then I have this tab here. I can also choose if I want to just record a website link. So I could go and say I just want to record Clever or my calendar. Anything I want, I can record. So I'm just going to record my first screen here, and then I will click share. It's going to count down. And it is now recording. So it is going to be recording my face here, and it will also be recording my screen as I'm working. Once I am finished with my recording, down here I have this stop sharing. I'll click on that, and then my recording will be finished. So I can re-watch my recording. It'll show both my webcam and my screen. I can click record again. If I'm ready to go, I'll just click save, and it will save it within here. Now, anytime you do a recording, it always has to upload to the program. So you'll see it's in blue down here. The longer the recording, the longer it will take to upload. This is often the longest thing it takes, is just making sure that that's available. You can start editing the videos, but it sometimes will take a little bit of time. So you can see I have a video of myself at the top here, and then I have my screen recording. If I want to just listen and see what it shows, I'll click the plus. And then it's going to pop up, and that top screen's. So since I did both the screen and the my face is going to be up at the top, and then my screen's going to be in the rest of the area. So if you are doing a recording where you're using the webcam as well, you want to make sure that you're not saving anything or doing something in the top right-hand corner. The other way that you can record is you can do a narrate. This is just recording your voice. You can narrate the same way. So you'll come down here, and if you are recording something or narrating along with a video you've already recorded, you can click preview while recording, and it will show you the video that you've saved on the program. And you can also mute audio, so that means that the audio to this recording here will not play, so it will not show up in your recording here. Once you're ready to record, you'll click this button here, and it will count down 3, 2, 1, and it is now recording. So it's going to show the video, and then once I'm done, I'll click the stop, and I can re-listen to it. I can delete it here, or if I'm ready to go, I'll just click this check. It's going to save to server up here, and it will also add it to my my editing feature here. So I can go down, and then there is my recording here. So those are the two main ways that you can record your screen with the webcam or one or the other, or record your voice. The other way is you can actually import a video that you've already saved. So you can import it from Facebook, from your Drive, from your cloud, all different places, or if you have it, like me, I have a video saved to my desktop. So I'll come here, and here's my video. I'll open that up, and it will record it here. It will take a little bit longer to record if you are uploading it from somewhere else, but it is a great way if you are bringing something different. You can also upload pictures on here like this. You can upload audio if you have that from somewhere as well. Any kind of imports all come from here.